Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to make a Python program which is actually going to list all the files and directories in a given folder. So without wasting our precious time, let's get started. Friends, there is a module in Python called OS and it is built in. It comes built in Python, so we don't need to install it. Let's import it. Import OS. Now, let's make a variable with the name of directory, 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 and directory is going to hold the value value as os dot list dir and pass the name of the directory. Sorry. So here the name of the directory is data for projects. projects projects. Mm. Now what here we are going to do is make a for loop, and that for loop is going to loop on the directory data for projects. So let's do so. For um, file name file or dir in the directory variable directry directory. What here we are going to do is just print it out. Print the file or directory. File or directory. Here I didn't made underscore or separating or and dir underscore again. Now let's run our program and see what is the output. Here is the data for projects folder. Here are many other projects related items like hair cascade, iTree, alarm.mp3. I use it in many projects here. So in the output terminal, we see all the same directories of files which are listed in this data for projects folder. So till this point we have made a Python program which is actually going to list all the directories and files in a certain folder. Now let's come to know how many files are there in the particular folder. Like I'm here going to make a variable with who is files total files is equal to 0, and in the for loop what I am going to do is increment it the value with the value 1. Total files plus is equal to plus is equal to the 1. Now let's print the total files. Print total 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 files. Now let's run our program and see what is the output now. Here at the very bottom I see the output as 25. Now what does this 25 mean is that there are 25 files or folders. They are all are added up in it. So now let's format this output like say the the total the total files and directories in the folder folder are this with the comma or Now let's run a program. Here in the output, we see that the total files and directories in the folder are 25. You can just remove this dirs with a folder or directories with the full name. So thank you guys for watching to this till the end of this video. Bye bye.